Hello. Hello, there's a beast in my room. Look what it's doing with my wig.
Well, it's attracting the animal hair. That'll almost certainly wash off.
I'm sorry, John, but we have to have Barbara in. The solicitors think he might be the subject of an animal cruelty case.
Well, tell them he is now.
Look, it's not down to Ruth, John. It's my fault. I said I'd look after Barbara. Let me get him up.
You're ruining these chambers with the type of work you're bringing in, Ruth. You know that? I mean, we're really going to catch the Lord Chancellor's eye with one lawyer and his dog here, aren't we?
Well, forgive me, but I thought as a barrister I was obliged by the cab rank rule to put aside any personal prejudices and serve any client who needed my help.
Good God.
Well, someone's done a pretty good job of it, actually, haven't
You're frightening it.
It's worse than it looks. An open window.
But it just isn't. And that's right. I mean, that's exactly how it should be. Lamb needs really committed people.
I'm just saying we've got to try and be understanding of Ruth.
Ah.
I can't do a thing with that wig. It's been dry cleaned 3 times. I don't know. We've really been getting some awful cases lately. I must be convinced.
Yeah, it didn't take very long, did it?
30 years of marriage.
Those should be screws from the outside, not bolts from the inside. What you'll need to do is assemble this together by gluing or fiberglassing this bracket in here. And screwing this into here. Connect the wires, including the 2 heating wires. Click the mirror into place. I wouldn't do this until after you've attached this to the car. Now when you attach this to the car, do not do it in the normal way. Don't turn this through 90 degrees. You have to get inside the door and screw these screws, or other screws you may choose to use. Screw these screws into the base from inside the door. You'll then have a left-hand M mirror. Ignore that. So it just needs repaired. It's quite a simple repair. It's a very good repair. Whoever did it before, it's a very good repair. But it does have a downside. And the only way to strip it down is to strip it down from the inside. Do not twist this through 90 degrees.